A baby girl is dead, and her mother being treated in hospital in a case of suspected infanticide and attempted suicide in Barrett Hall, St. James, on Wednesday. 5-month-old Destiny Brown died at Cornwall Regional Hospital on Thursday afternoon, where she had been admitted with head wounds. Her mother is being treated at another medical facility. The incident occurred about 5:30 p.m. at the family's home in Barrett Hall. It's reported that the woman and the baby's father had a disagreement when she took the child to the roof of the 3-story house and threw her off. The baby fell on top of a pit. The woman's 8-year-old daughter saw what happened and raised an alarm. The police say the woman also tried to grab hold of the 8-year-old girl, but she escaped harm. The suspect returned to the house where she drank bleach and then threw herself off the 2nd floor. Mother and baby were taken to Falmouth Hospital. The woman was admitted and the child later transferred to Cornwall Regional Hospital, where she died Thursday. The police say they are continuing their investigation as the community seeks to come to terms with this tragic event. Mental health professionals have been called in to support the affected family and residents.